Buying a new home can be a great feeling, but you want to feel safe.
New home, new keys. This house has Kwikset locks with SmartKey Security. So when you move in, you can easily reset the locks.
Oh, wow.
Because who knows who the previous owner gave their keys to? Could have been a housekeeper or a babysitter, you know.
Only Kwikset SmartKey Security gives you the power to rekey your locks yourself in seconds. And in addition to resetting your locks, Kwikset protects against advanced break-in techniques like picking or bumping. Get a safe start with your new home from the brand that makes securing it easy and convenient. Kwikset. Reset, rekey, relax.